Good day, everyone. A traveler I am of that path that knows no end, the path towards which my desire lies the imprint of my mind. The song loosely translates to this and describes the composer I have in mind. Yes, he traversed and traveled and experimented beyond barriers that confine the world of music. Known primarily for his prowess as a singer, he dealt with music composing, writing lyrics, script writing, acting, dancing, and film direction and production all with alarm. Is it not right then to describe him as a traveler of a path that knows no end? Such is the caliber of this composer from the world of Indian cinema I'm going to briefly take you through today. The one and the only Kishore Kumar. A couple of lines from that song that I mentioned about. पंती हूं मैं उस पथ का अंत नहीं जिसका आस मेरी है जिसकी दिशा आधार मेरे मन का. When Kala first mentioned that I have to speak about a composer, I had a flash of a dozen composers in my head. India has no dearth of composers. I took upon Kishore Kumar for two reasons. I love the cinema and film, music has been my hobby since childhood and am very comfortable with the genre. The other reason being, August is his birth month, and I thought it would be a good tribute. The last reason, a bit silly, nevertheless gives me a non-entity, a great connect with the man. Kishore Kumar was never trained formally in music, and that gives milestone of music buffs like me, who have never ventured into the path of training, put up a brave face like I'm doing today in front of you all. During the initial stage of his career, Kishore Kumar was deeply inspired by singer K.L. Saigal and imitated his style of singing. Kishore was also heavily influenced by Pakistani playback singer Ahmed Rushdie, and he paid a rich tribute at Royal Albert Hall to Rushdie by singing some of his songs. Kishore Kumar also loved Tagore's poems. In fact, that song which I sang in the beginning, Panti Hu Main Us Pad Ka, was a deep influence of a Bengali composition by Tagore, Pother Shesh Kothai. Many of Kishore Kumar's songs, composed by other composers, also had Tagore influence. One of the famous songs being his number composed by R.D. Burman. छू कर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा बदला ये मौसम लगे प्यारा जग सारा. Kishore Kumar was a great admirer of Danny Kaye, Hollywood actor and singer. In fact, Kishore Kumar imitated Danny Kaye's mannerisms in many of his dance moves. Yodeling was a popular technique in Europe in the 1950s. Kishore Kumar was very fascinated by this style. Inspired by Jimmy Rogers and Tex Morton, yodeling became a unique feature of his singing. Kishore Kumar became the one and the only proponent of yodeling in India. In the song, Zindagi ek safar hai suhana, yahan kal kya ho kisne jana. Can anyone forget this yodeling? जिंदगी एक सफर उड़ले 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 उड़ले. Kishore Kumar finally turned composer with Jumru, 1964 year. As the screen opened out to a toy train chugging up the Himalayas, the opening song that plays goes like this with someone tremendous yodeling, I'm just trying to, do something. Beginning of the yodeling. Yeah, yodelay, 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 oh, the nakaras that Kishore Kumar has tried in this song, I dare not try. All but song goes something like this. मैं हूँ झुम 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 झुमरू पकड़ झूम में कोई घुमरू में तो प्यार का गीत सुनाता चला मंजिल पे मेरी नजर में दुनिया से बेखबर बीती बातों पे धूल उड़ाता चला मैं हूँ झुम 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 झुमरू पकड़ घूमू बन के घुमरू में प्यार का गीत सुनाता चला मंजिल पे मेरी नजर में दुनिया से बेखबर बीती बातों पे धूल उड़ाता चला. As if this introduction of the arrival of Kishore Kumar as a composer was not enough. He himself had written the lyrics of this song. He was also the protagonist and actor himself. And if that is not versatile enough for us, let us hear another totally different composition from this movie which marks the greatness of this man. The opening song, Main Hoon Jum Jum Jum, was full of fun with all the yodeling, and here goes this other song from the same movie, Jumru, filled with sadness, full of melancholy, incidentally happens to be my brother's favorite song. Koi hamdam na raha, koi sahara na raha, हम किसी के न रहे कोई हमारा न रहा कोई हमदम न रहा कोई सहारा न रहा. Another fantastic composition I would like to take next is from a film called Dur Gagan Ki Chhaav Mein. This film was produced and directed by Kishore Kumar. He was the actor and music director as well. The film had fabulous compositions, the lyrics of which were written by Shailendra. But the one composition that stands out is a song for which Kishore Kumar himself wrote the lyrics. चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं इस ऐसे गगन के तले जहां गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो बस प्यार ही प्यार पले एक ऐसे गगन के तले. A bit of his trivia about this film is that Kishore Kumar plays the father in the movie, and his son, Amit Kumar, who later became a singer, has played the role as a 7-year-old boy in the film. Kishore Kumar's contribution to the Bengali industry was no less. As a singer, he had his imprint there too. Now, Bengali or Bengal is symbolic of Durga Puja. For those of us who have our childhood linked with Kolkata, the traditional ushering of the goddess for 4 days during the Durga Puja under send-off with the immersion has to be accompanied with not just the pandals, puja pandals, not just the festivities and the feast. There has to be Pujor Gan with different songs heard over loudspeakers from different community pujas. Releasing a new album every year with Pujor Gan is also a tradition linked to this. It was in the year 1973 that Kishore composed his first Bengali puja album and had some timeless classics. I will just present a glimpse into two of those popular melodies. This one is believed to be a presentation of three ragas entwined in the song. নয়ন সরসী কেন ভরেছে জলে কত কি রয়েছে লেখায় কাজলে কাজলে নয়ন সরসী কেন ভরেছে জলে কত কি রয়েছে লেখায় কাজলে কাজলে নয়ন সরসী. The next one is a lilting tune, mix of folk with a very sophisticated treatment along with electric and acoustic rhythm guitars, bongo, and a revved up echo. এই যে নদী যায় সাগরে কত কথা সুদাই তারে এত জানে তবু নদী কথা বলে না কথা বলে না কেন বলে না কেন বলে না এই যে নদী. One year later, the 1974 Puja album has a bit of trivia to it. Kishore Kumar and Lata Mangeshkar, along with HMV, his master's voice, sprang a delightful surprise on the listeners when they composed for each other. For any one of you here who do not know who Lata Mangeshkar is, she is considered to be the nightingale of Indian cinema. Kishore Kumar composed for Lata in this album two melodious numbers, Ki Likhi Tomaye and Bhalobashar Agun Jwale. These were the two songs that he composed. And Lata composed two brilliant numbers for Kishore Kumar, Tare Ami Choke Dekhini and Ami Nei, Ami Nei. Here I must say, thanks to Kala's efforts, thank you Kala, on Gitavan, that I came across this trivia. This song, Tare Ami Choke Dekhini, I have heard almost in every puja pandal as a young schoolboy and as an adult playing on every pada loudspeaker, and I have hummed it so many times, not knowing that there was the story of two famous composers behind the album. So here goes the number, one of my favorites. Tare ami choke dekhini তার অনেক গল্প শুনেছি তারে আমি চোখে দেখিনি তার অনেক গল্প শুনেছি গল্প শুনে তারে আমি অল্প অল্প ভালোবেসেছি তারে আমি চোখে দেখিনি. I began today with a poetic version of Kishore's song and would like to end with the other song from this Pujor album composed by Lata for Kishore Kumar, which says, I am not there. Just the thoughts fills my heart with more and more pain. Amine, ভাবিতেই ব্যথায় ব্যথায় মন ভরে যায়, যেই ভাবি আর কোনো কানে আমি আমি নেই, আমি নেই, আমি নেই may be true for him, as he himself said, I'm not there. But for us, his fans, Kishore Kumar may be long gone, but he lives in his heart. He lives in our heart forever and ever. Once again, thanks Kala and Gitovan once again for the opportunity.